Which color follows the green signal at a Puffin crossing? A steady red. B. Flashing amber. C. Steady amber. D. Flashing green. Share your answer in the comments and let's see who has it right. The correct answer is C. Steady amber. Puffin crossings have infrared sensors that detect when pedestrians are crossing and hold the red traffic signal until the crossing is clear. The use of a sensor means there's no flashing amber phase as there is with a pelican crossing. If you're looking to ace your theory test, don't miss our books and other video lessons. Also, if you have learned something valuable today, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.